Okay, like,
Okay, so our name of our group is Northwind Traders. The address for it is 5 Copley Place, Boston, Massachusetts. Our website is www.northwindtraders.com. And our group members, it's Graham Robin, Gurpreet Bhatia, me, Lisa, and Adele. Our introduction of our group members again. Lisi, I'm the supervisor, introduction and design overview. Robin is the coordinator, logical approach to problem solving. Gurpreet Bhatia is a supporter, and Adele also is a supporter. Our company mission is to help you into your internal resources, to guide you into a better understanding of who you are and what you have to offer, leading to greater personal satisfaction and productivity, and to guide you into a good position and great service according to what we provide and do in our company. Our company objectives is how you can avoid the costly, time-consuming hiring and training process and start to see results on your project immediately, and how to manage client firm resources in a cost-effective manner. About our company, the Northwind Traders is a small international food company that provides food to restaurants and food shops with supplies like seafood, meat, dairy products, and any kind of beverage internationally across the world. Okay, so I'm just gonna give a brief description of the first 3 chapters that we did for the first presentation. For the first chapter, what we did is we changed the supervisor's name in the form. We changed the order date and the filter report by category name. Okay, this is what I look after. Okay. This was our results. You see how now only the dates of 2012 is showing. That's what we did for chapter 1. For chapter 2, we did how to set up and look for information for only 1 month and a query, and then how to change the criteria and fix it, and how to find and correct errors in the queries. So you see now here, this is for chapter 2. This is what we got after. You see only 1 month is showing, only May is showing. So these are the results we have after the correction that we made. And this is our results after the correction for the grade 2. For chapter 3, what we did is how to store all product and inventory information, customer information, and sales information, determine the revenue from each order, filled in the last year, summarize the revenue figures by product category, and creating queries for revenues. This is what it looks like before in design view. And then this is the result of the revenue that we have. And then you see how everything was like beverage, like dairy products, everything was like not in order. Here we have the receipt only for beverage, condiments, like we have everything by total. And then this is before the caption, and this is after the caption. Now I put it as total revenue and as average discount. And then chapter 5, this is
Hi, I'm Robin Graham. I provide the manager with a chart, a pivot chart. What was I going to say? At a client's request, they ask for a projection of how each sales rep does for beverages and dairy. So we're going to show it from the beginning to the middle to the end on exactly how the production would work. This is how it is before for the packages, for the beverages. This is for the year of 2012. This is under my name, how it looks, my revenue of how I projected it should, how it looked. This is with the dairy, and I added 2 sales reps to show the difference for each one that they have done, Callahan, Donnan, and Graham. I am the one in the last one in the back, that's the dark blue. Callahan is the green, and Donnan is the red. It shows he has the highest spike of selling of dairy and beverages. And this is the complete sale. I beat him by just a little. And so that's mine's is the highest, he's second, and the other guy is last. So that's me for dairy and beverages sales for 2012.
Good morning, everybody. I'm going to introduce Chapter 6. So my mission is to modify the company access to create a lookup customers and create queries and reports. So in this slide, so we create like a new form based on customer table, as you see here, and we name it like lookup customer data, and we modified edit property here. So so the form can be like edited by any users. So we went to property sheet and we changed allow edits from yes to no. So and in this slide we set a tab stop on the order subform. So to the cursor like can't stop like on the subform. In this slide we create a data macro, so to compare the unit price and product price. So this slide took me like 3 hours to come up with like this function, but I'm not sure if it's strong, it's correct or not. So this slide, so the thing like we compare unit price and product price. Condition was that the product cost should be greater than unit price, and that would be like a warning message that if, for example, like here in this slide, like we change the product price from 12 to 22.95. So and then like a warning message show up like says that our condition was true because the product cost was greater than unit price. In this slide, we create a report based on revenue query. We included a category name, field, and revenue field, and we included also the percentage and the sum of total revenue. And this is the result. So on our revenue report, so it showed sum and the percentage. And that's me. And we named the report like revenue by categories summary.
Hello, good morning everybody. I'm going to show you chapter 7 and 8 project description. Our chapter 7 project descriptions are update customer records, move all records from the Scandinavian country to another table, learning how to provide faster query response time with the new table, and delete records from original table when they are moved. Sometimes we need to change same data in a multiple records, I need to change update the UK customer with United Kingdom. So I use update action query to do this. When I set the criteria UK and update it to United Kingdom. When I run it, all the UK instances of UK updated to United Kingdom, and we got some changes. And my second task is update the customer update the customer record and move all the records from the Scandinavian countries, Sweden, Norway and Denmark to another table. To do this, I need to follow this 3 steps. Firstly, make a new table. Second, append records to new table and delete all records. So first step is make a table. To make a table, I use make action query and set the criteria Sweden in a ship country and run it. You can see 37 record added to new table name is Scandinavian order table. This one 37 records. And the second step is append orders with Norway to our new table. So I use append action query and set the criteria Norway here in a ship country and run the query, and the 6th row appended to the new Scandinavian order table, and and then the last is Denmark country. So I follow the same step for append orders with Denmark to new table. This time 18 rows appended to the new table. And the last step, this is the result of our new Scandinavian order table. You can see it has only Sweden, Norway and Denmark countries. And the last step, delete all records from original order table. So I use action query, delete action query, and set the criteria Sweden or Norway or Denmark country in a ship country. And when I run, all the records related to these 3 countries deleted. And after completing all this step, we have a separate table for Scandinavian countries. And chapter 8 project description are sending the current product list to several new suppliers to see if they can lower the cost of their products, and creating output format for the product list to the new supplier can receive the information in either Excel, Word, PDF or Access. So export current product list to new supplier in several formats. I choose Excel, Word, PDF and Access. Access has a feature, we can export our database to different format. It's very easy and within a 1 step you can export our database. So this is the original Access database in an Access format, and I send it in a Excel worksheet. It look like this, and change it, export it Word document. And the last format I use PDF file, and I send to our new supplier.
I'm going to present chapter 10 again. Chapter 10, our description was how to be more efficient when processing orders, learning how to filter the orders from form so each employee can see only his or her orders. Also learn how to filter a report using a CQL statement, and how to edit the labels of the report. Okay, so this is what the form looks like before filtering. You see how here all records 830s are showing. This is before, and then this is after I add that button using the macro builder. I add one button, and then this is only showing the employees with ID with number 1 ID. Only 123 records are shown. This is after filtering. So this is adding another button with employees number 2. I went to the macro builder, and then I had to change it to number 2 because I had number 1 here. And then this is the results after. You see how here we have employees with ID number 1 and ID number 2. This is the result for ID, for employees with ID number 2. This is after adding button 1 through 6 and adding an extra button to remove the filter so all orders will display. So basically when you click one of each these items, Each of these buttons are the employee's ID. So basically, if I click number 3, all employees with ID number 3 are gonna display. And then if I click the X, all employees, like the 830 employees, are gonna display because that's the button to remove everything and to display everything together. This is using the CIT128 statement to filter a report. Here you go to the property sheet and you type the select start from customers, where, country, and then enter country. And then this is what it pops up when you go to the print report, that you have to enter a country. For example, I enter a Germany, and then after I enter Germany, this is the result I have, that only Germany country is showing, or only the Germany country results is showing. So for example, if I enter another country, the other country is gonna show up like this. And like that.
Very good job, guys. Any questions? Excellent. Nice job. Very nice.